everybody, it's Miss Crystal, and I wanted to read a book with you today. I have found a nice cozy spot in my house, so if you want to go find a cozy spot to listen to this book, that would be great. The name of this book is called Listen Like an Elephant, and this book is written by Willey and illustrated by Anni. Elephant has really big ears. Why? She loves to listen. With her really big ears, Elephant can hear her friends from very far away. Where are your ears? Take a long breath in and let it way out like this. Hold your body still. Listen. There are so many sounds. Did you hear anything at home? From the right and the left, from up high and down low. From far away and up close. Listen. What do you hear? Listen. Now what do you hear? Take a long breath in and let it all the way out. The end.